Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, beautiful ladies. Uh, Sarika, have I given you hangout work?
Yes, sir. But na,
Okay,
I forgot that time though. Actually,
okay,
hangout is not possible nowadays, na. So, especially in Mumbai, because sir, police are also very strict in our area.
uh,
So we can't
no,
go, and that's why
I
I'm
was
not
just
not
asking,
not using hangout.
Sir,
I
today,
was
sir,
just saying because you were using two different verbs. We cannot go out, we cannot eat like this. So hangout contains everything.
yes, sir, you have given. Sir, today your
Okay,
hairstyle is looking very great. You are looking very nice.
thank you.
Sure.
uh, so, Aparna, you tell me what was the last interactive sentence?
So the last interactive sentence was I will try my best or I will try my level best.
Okay, thank you. Sarika, you tell me what was the last idiom?
Sir, the last idiom was he is an apple of my eyes.
Okay, thank you. And Renu, you tell me what is the Hindi meaning of that interactive and that.
Okay. Uh, sir, the Hindi meaning of that interactive sentence is मैं अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करूँगा. And the Hindi meaning of idiom is मेरी आँखों का तारा.
Okay, before going ahead, ladies, I would like to inform you that two girls are there, but they will remain calm. They will not participate. They are here to see, to listen, to watch. So there are only three candidates today. Uh, have I given you Sarika as it is?
Yes, sir. You have already given this as it is.
Okay. Have I given you I'm okay with it?
No, sir. You haven't given this.
Okay. Aparna, is your CC on?
No, sir, my CC is not on.
Put it on and ask to another.
Okay, sir. Uh, Renu Bhabi, is your CC on?
It was not on earlier, but just now I put it on. Sarika, is your CC on?
Yes, Bhabhi, my CC is on.
Okay.
Sarika, you can ask to Aparna.
D, is your CC on?
Yes, Sarika, now my CC is on.
Renu, have you ever seen this spelling of okay?
Yes, sir. I've seen earlier and I'm using also. I'm okay with
Thank
it.
you.
Yeah.
रेनू, क्या आपने ये स्पेलिंग पहले कभी देखी है? ओके ए वाई.
Yes, sir. I've seen this. हाँ सर, मैंने यह स्पेलिंग पहले देखी है.
Ask the same question to Sarika.
Okay. Sarika, have you seen this spelling earlier?
Yes, Bhabhi, I have seen this spelling many times.
Okay. Ask, sir, should I complete the
Oh,
process?
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
क्या आपने यह स्पेलिंग कभी पहले देखी है?
हाँ भाभी, मैंने यह स्पेलिंग कई बार देखी है.
Okay. Go ahead.
Aparna D, have you seen this spelling ever?
Yes, Sarika, of course. I have seen this spelling before.
Okay.
जी, क्या आपने यह स्पेलिंग पहले देखी है?
हाँ सारिका, ये मैंने पहले देखी हुई है.
Aparna, you can ask me. I will give imaginary answer.
Okay, sir. Have you seen this spelling?
Uh, no, Aparna, I have seen it first time.
क्या आपने यह स्पेलिंग पहले कभी देखी है?
नहीं अपर्णा, ये मैं पहली बार देखी. Going ahead, I would like to ask Sarika, how is my volume?
Sir, it is okay.
Okay, perfectly good.
Okay. Okay. Uh, Next question goes to Renu. Renu, which chapter does this sentence belong?
Sir, this sentence belongs to be present chapter.
आज हम हिंदी बदल रहे हैं लेडीज. माइंड दिस थिंग. रेनू, यह वाक्य किस पाठ से या अध्याय से संबंध रखता है?
Okay. सर, यह वाक्य बी प्रेजेंट अध्याय से संबंध रखता है.
रेनू, अपना इंग्लिश
बी
आंसर रिपीट
प्रेजेंट.
करें.
Okay.
पहले
This
इंग्लिश
sentence.
आंसर रिपीट.
Okay, sir. This sentence belongs to be present.
बी प्रेजेंट.
Yeah,
अब
be
इस
present.
पूरे. अच्छा, आ गया. हम वही तो बताना चाह रहे थे कि आंसर में चैप्टर शब्द नहीं आता.
नहीं आता. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me ask you again, Renu, which chapter does this sentence belong?
So this sentence belongs to be present.
यह वाक्य किस अध्याय से संबंध रखता है?
से यह वाक्य बी प्रेजेंट से संबंध रखता है.
So there you are.
Yeah.
Ask.
Okay. Sarika, which chapter does this sentence belong?
Bhabhi, this sentence belongs to be present.
Okay. सारिका, यह वाक्य किस अध्याय से संबंध रखता है?
भाभी, यह वाक्य बी प्रेजेंट से संबंध रखता है. अपर्णा दी, which chapter does this sentence belong?
Sarika, this sentence belongs to be present.
दी, यह वाक्य किस अध्याय से संबंध रखता है?
सारिका, यह वाक्य be present से संबंध रखता है. Sir, which chapter does this sentence belong?
Well, this sentence. You know, this sentence belongs to present simple.
We have forgotten. आजी. ओके सर, यह वाक्य किस अध्याय से संबंध रखता है?
यह वाक्य प्रेजेंट सिंपल से संबंध रखता है. अब आज एक और नया गेम.
सर, आपने प्रेजेंट सिंपल बोला ना?
यस. राइट, आई वाज रॉन्ग. द बॉस इज नॉट ऑलवेज राइट.
हाँ, she is aware, but we were not.
She is aware. She is aware.
So we were sleeping, Aparna.
No. You were actually not sleeping. We make a picture in our mind. He is sir or he is teacher.
Yes, boss
he
is always
teacher.
right. Yeah.
This is the mentality. Okay, sorry for me. Aparna, this sentence belongs to be present.
सर,
यह वाक्य be present से संबंधित है, संबंध रखता है. तो जो अगला गेम है वो ध्यान से देखिएगा. आपके लिए नया नहीं है, लेकिन ये सारे सवाल मैंने अलग अलग किए. आज हम एक साथ करने जा रहे हैं. फर्स्टली आई विल आस्क टू Sarika, I will ask you so many questions. Then Sarika will ask all the questions to Aparna. Then Aparna will ask all the questions to Renu. Sarika, what is the subject of this sentence?
Sir, I is the subject of this sentence.
Sarika, what is the helping verb?
Sir, there is no helping verb.
Sarika, what is am in this sentence?
Sir, am is the main verb in this sentence.
Thank you. Sarika, what is okay?
Sir, okay is an adjective or noun.
Yes, correct. Sarika, what is with?
Sir, with is the preposition.
Good. Sarika, what is it?
Sir, it is a object.
सारिका हम इस सेंटेंस को थोड़ा बदल दें. सारिका, what is it in this sentence?
Sir, it is the object in this sentence.
ये हमने क्यों बदला आप समझ तो गए होंगे, लेकिन फिर भी हम बोल के आई एम गोइंग टू टेक वाटर मीनवाइल दिस राउंड विल गो ऑन. दोस्तों, आप जानते हैं इट सब्जेक्ट की तरह भी काम करता है और ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह. ऐसे केवल 2 शब्द हैं पूरी इंग्लिश में जो ऑब्जेक्ट और सब्जेक्ट. कौन बताएगा?
It
एक
and
है, एक और है
एक मिनट.
सर द
नहीं
द सब्जेक्ट नहीं.
सब्जेक्ट
You and it.
यू
करेक्ट, सही जवाब.
यू एंड इट. ओके.
यस, इसको लिखने लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये इट विल कम ऑटोमेटिक. सो आई एम म्यूटिंग इट हियर and I am going to take water. Meanwhile, Sarika will ask all the questions to Aparna. Aparna will ask all the questions to Renu.
D. What is the subject in this sentence?
Sarika, I is the subject in this sentence.
And what is the... Sir, should I complete the process?
No need to. I don't.
Okay, sir. Because newcomers has come, na? That's why I'm asking. Okay. D. What is the helping verb in this sentence?
Sarika, there is no helping verb in this sentence.
Okay. Can you tell me what is okay here?
Am? What about am?
Oh, sorry, I forgot. Okay, Dee, what is am in this sentence?
Sarika, am is a main verb in this sentence.
Okay. And what is okay here?
Okay is a noun. Okay is an adjective or noun in this sentence.
Okay. Dee, can you tell me what is with in this sentence?
With is a preposition in this sentence.
Okay. And what is it in this sentence?
It is an object in this sentence. Okay, Renu Bhabi, can you tell me what is I in this sentence?
Aparna, I is a subject in this sentence.
And what is the helping verb in this sentence?
Aparna, there is no helping verb in this sentence.
And Renu Bhabi, tell me what is the am in this sentence?
Am is a main verb in this sentence.
Okay. And what is okay in this sentence?
Okay is the noun or an adjective in this sentence.
With. What is the with in this sentence?
With. Okay. With here, with is preposition in this sentence.
And what about it? What is this in this sentence?
Yeah, it is an object in this sentence. Okay. So should I ask Sarika?
Yeah.
Okay, Sarika. No.
But anyway.
Okay, who
Okay,
is
Bhabhi,
ready to?
ask.
Okay, you just close your eyes and just repeat whatever I am asking.
Okay, no
Okay,
problem.
Sarika. Yeah, Sarika, what is I in this subject? Oh, sorry,
Bhabhi,
I in this sentence.
Bhabhi, I is the subject in this sentence.
Okay, what is helping verb in this sentence?
There is no helping verb, Bhabhi.
Okay, and what about am? What is am in this sentence?
Am is the main verb in this sentence.
Okay, next is okay. What is okay in this sentence?
Okay is an adjective or noun here.
Thank you. And what is with in this sentence?
Bhabhi, with is the preposition in this
Yeah,
sentence.
very good. And last is it. And
Yes.
what is it in this sentence?
Bhabhi, it is the object in this sentence.
Thank you, Sarika.
Thank you, Bhabhi.
And the sentence is
Okay, I think you must be knowing the Hindi meaning of this sentence.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me.
सर मैं इसके साथ खुश हूँ.
Aparna?
I'm okay with it. मुझे ये
इससे कोई
ठीक
फर्क
लग
नहीं।
मुझे ये
मुझे
ठीक
इससे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। हाँ, मुझे इससे कोई फर्क
यस
नहीं
सर,
पड़ता।
मुझे
आई
इससे
वाज
कोई फर्क नहीं
अबाउट
पड़ता.
हाँ,
हाँ.
मैंने यही बोलने वाली थी। आई वाज अबाउट टू से दिस। सो मुझे इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। आई एम ओके विद इट। मुझे इससे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
Now, whatever you wanted to say with the creativity. I'm starting with Sarika as usual.
Okay, sir. What is going on in current situation? I'm okay with it because we are safe at home and it is very important for me. अभी जो सिचुएशन चल रही है उसमें क्या चल रहा है उससे मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है क्योंकि हम घर पे सेफ हैं और ये सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है मेरे लिए. अपर्णा दी.
well, the people of the our society and our surrounding, they always criticize our movement and all the what we do in the society. If we are growing up, if we are being so high and we are doing so good, so I'm okay. matlab, I don't care about it. I'm okay with it. मुझे इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता और मुझे इससे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है कि what people say
Good.
about.
सर इसको पॉजिटिव वे में भी ले सकते हैं और नेगेटिव में भी ले सकते हैं ना.
यस
मतलब हम इससे खुश भी हैं और हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, हम उसे इग्नोर कर रहे हैं पूरी तरह से, ऐसा भी ले सकते हैं ना. और हम बहुत खुश हैं उसके साथ, ऐसे भी ले सकते हैं.
हाँ, सही है, करेक्ट. अलग अलग भाव के साथ अपन एक एक राउंड और खेल लेंगे, है ना? आर यू ओके विद इट?
यस सर.
यस सर.
Okay. Sir, as lockdown is over, so my husband is going office daily, so I'm okay with it. Sarika?
All the students are studying online classes and sometimes they are not happy with it but my son is okay with it. अभी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस सारे बच्चे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में पढ़ रहे हैं. कुछ बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम होती है, पर मेरे बेटे को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है इससे. Sir, am I audible na?
Yes, yes. Aparna, it's your go.
This is the second round, I think. Na? The positive I have to say, or I'm okay with my in-laws and my family and my society and my friends. मैं अपनी फैमिली, अपनी सोसाइटी, अपने इन-लॉज के साथ कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं है. I'm okay with that.
Okay. All are done.
Sir, I have to make one sentence.
Let's play the third round, guys. Now we are going to change the object, guys. It is a questioning answering round. Sarika, are you okay with the problems of Mumbai?
Yes, sir, I am okay with the problems of Mumbai because I strongly believe that if you don't do this, accept this as it is, or if you wanna change something, so go for it.
सारिका, तुम्हें मुंबई में होने वाली परेशानियों से, समस्याओं से कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं?
नहीं सर, मुझे मुंबई की परेशानियों से कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, क्योंकि मेरा मानना है कि यदि आप कुछ चेंज नहीं कर सकते तो आप उसको एक्सेप्ट करो, और यदि चेंज कर सकते हो तो फिर उसको चेंज करो.
Wow. Now you change the object and ask Aparna. Or
Yes,
you
sir.
can ask who is ready. Because
is
this
ready?
is, you know.
I'm ready.
Okay. Aparna Di, are you okay with your surrounding where you are living now?
Yes, Sarika, I'm definitely okay with my surrounding. Because it depends on you, how you are. Every human being having their own mind, and you know every man has many minds, you know. So okay with.
Very nice.
दी,
अब
क्या
हिंदी
आप
की जरूरत तो नहीं है ना?
जी 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 जी.
इतना बड़ा हिंदी कौन बोलेगा? रहने. Are you okay with it, na guys?
Yes sir, absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay, Aparna, please ask Rina.
Okay, Bhabhi. Bhabhi, are you okay with your diet plan?
Yeah, exactly. I'm very, very satisfied and okay with my diet plan and very happy to. So I'm a maker, I'm a own maker of my diet plan. Yesterday also lot of my friends are asking कि who is the planner, who is your dietitian? मैंने बोला I am my own dietitian. Nobody is my dietitian. Yeah, it is the extended answer, but I'm sorry to speak so much. Sir, should I ask you?
Renu, you can ask me.
Yes, sir. I want to ask you,
Am I
sir, are you okay with your weight? Are you okay with your weight?
come again. I could not get the last word, and my CC was off. Now please come
Weight,
again.
weight. Are you okay with your weight?
Wait.
Yeah. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes. I'm absolutely okay with it, and you will be surprised as you will see. And it is, I think, God given. I, by my 40s, uh,
Okay.
I never crossed 50 or 51.
Oh, that's great.
I was always skinny and
Okay.
light-weighted, but after my 40 or 45, I don't exactly remember the year or two, but nowadays I'm uh, 60 to 63, between 60 to 63.
Okay.
61.
Before this, no, about my weight.
Huh. You told me na 60, 62, I think 61.
Maybe I skipped it because I can say because before this lockdown, I joined gym
Okay.
and there is a weighing machine. So every day means it is just over there available. Anybody can go and check. So it is a human tendency. If you see the weighing machine, you are going
Weighing
to go and
machine.
weigh
Yes,
yourself.
sir. Yes, sir.
So I was checking it some one day it was 61 or then another day 62, 61, 62, between this
Yes, sir.
constant.
Yes, sir.
So I'm okay with it because I can run easily. I can
So nice.
miss. I can play with the kids. I can climb anywhere wherever I want, and means I can enjoy my life because I'm not
That is the
overweight.
great part. Yeah.
Yes, so I'm absolutely okay with it.
So I'm very
Sir,
happy to listen your answer.
according to your age and height, your weight is perfect, sir.
Okay, thank you. I was not sure about it, but you guys are more aware about this both. So that thank you very much. And it is not done by me specially, guys. I would like to inform you. It is, God gifted. Uh, I never tried to put on my weight, never tried to diet, and never tried to go for dieting, etc. I cannot keep fast even uh, because I take very little food. Because it is said, uh, if you want to write it down, it will come here. You can. Uh, there are two quotations: live to eat and eat to live. Live to eat. कुछ लोग खाने के लिए जीते and some people eat to live. कुछ लोग जीने के लिए खाते हैं. So the second word is applied with me. I eat to live, and it is not by mental stress or condition. It is God given. I always remain sane, and let's take fourth round. Change the subject. Uh, I'm starting with Sarika. Sarika, uh, is Modi ji okay with China?
No, sir, not at all. Modi ji is not okay with China because all we know China is cunning country and we can't trust them. And Modi ji is very means intelligent and far-sighted person. So he always uh, uh, he always keep our country. Uh, क्या बोलना चाहिए सर वो हमेशा अपनी कंट्री को हाँ he always keep our country strong and he is not. He is never okay with the China. Never ever.
Thank you. Very nice. Now you ask to Aparna.
Okay, Di. Is Bulbul okay with its with her education?
Good.
I'm talking about your niece.
I know.
Yes.
Actually, she is very much happy when she joined the her क्या कहते हैं whatever she is doing BS MBA MBA MBA
What
courses.
what to
Before
say?
MBA.
What to say लगाओ Aparna? What to say?
what to
क्या
yeah
कहते हैं?
what to say BBA courses, if she is pursuing BBA courses, so she was very happy and now she is very happy, and I can say, and she has passed out of she has now she is postgraduate. She is doing, I think, post graduation program, and he has passed out. He has become graduate now. Now she is
She.
post graduation. Yeah, actually, I forgot not all the time the what the my niece are doing. That's why the problem with me. I'm not confirm about it. But right now I'm okay with it. She is very much okay with her. She is very much okay with her education, whatever she has done. So she is pursuing in a very high profile, means very innovative. क्या what should I say? What do I say? Famous colleges like in Nagpur. So she is very much happy about it. She
Some
she
disturbing noise are coming from your side.
not from my side. I think
हाँ, you are
sir
right.
sir is not.
Fan. It is fan. Okay.
Uh,
You are not okay with it?
I'm okay with
Sir,
it,
we are
but
okay. We are
sometimes
okay with
Sir,
with it,
actually,
sir.
I'm using earphone, na.
it's
So
it's
that's
a
Hmm.
why.
minor um,
Hmm.
minor voice. Can you
Hmm.
or minor? क्या यार? What is happening with
Sir,
today? That
but
it's
I
time.
can't help it. I have to wear earphone.
Hmm.
Hmm. So on the concluding, I must say that she is very much and she is okay with it.
Okay. Ask Renu.
Okay, Renu Bhabi, are your are your both kids okay with their okay with your parenting?
Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you, Aparna, for using plural number. Thank you. Good.
Yes, Aparna. They are okay with my parenting, and they always thank me as well as they always thank God as they compare others' parent uh, to me and their father. So they are very thankful and they feel they are very blessed. So thanks to God also.
This is your way of parenting. You are very kind for everyone, for your children.
Yeah.
That's very
Thanks to God. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. So I have to ask sir, but I want to ask, yeah, I want to ask whether you are okay with your net connection.
Come again, please.
So, are you okay with your net connection?
Yeah. Well, if you are not getting any problem in visibility, in audibility, So yeah, I'm okay with it. You tell me, is it free flowing or not?
You are
My
mute.
net. Uh,
Yeah. So your flowing is very good, and there is no problem. That's why I have raised this question. So, which net you are using?
a broadband of Geo
Geo.
Fiber,
Okay.
fiber, Geo Fiber,
Okay.
and I have two options with broadband. Simply Geo 5, and second is uh, fiber. So fiber is the latest technology in our country, latest. But yes, okay, we are using 4G speed, and I hope within 6 months we will get 5G speed. And FYI, America is using 7G speed. Sometimes, even I am having 5G, but my mobile is not 5G.
Okay.
Connection is 5G, but mobile is not 5G. So, I have lost my mobile.
Yes, sir.
So we went to buy, but suddenly I don't know why I stopped myself and I refused. My wife was surprised, my son was surprised. But I think whatever happens, happens for good. So after a little while, I will go for 5G mobile, and I hope the class will be flawless with 5G. And let's start next round, and this is not non-living round. Let's use non-living subject. चलिए निर्जीव कर्ता का प्रयोग करके देखते हैं. So I will have to ask who is ready to answer. Sarika, are you ready?
Yes, sir, absolutely.
My question is not difficult. I am using only non-living subject, yeah, object. Sarika, are you okay with this question?
Yes, sir, I am okay with this question.
आपको सारिका इस क्वेश्चन से कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं?
नहीं सर, मुझे इस क्वेश्चन से कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Sir, should I change the object, na?
Yes, from your right brain.
Okay. Aparna Di, are you okay with your microwave?
Yes, of course, Raika. I'm very much okay with my microwave because it it helps me in my household chores many times when I throw parties in my home and kitty parties like this. So it helps me very much. I can cook anything in very fast time, like any Indian cuisines and some international cuisines. Some I can make in no time. So it is very helpful for me. You can
That's why I'm asking. I know na you are using microwave frequently nowadays.
Ah, I know, I knew.
It is very helpful. Actually,
Yeah.
it is very helpful. Yeah.
And nowadays we are in home because of COVID-19 and lockdown is going on, so we cannot have so much food. We cannot have no so there's outside food. So we ladies try to make at home this kind of thing. So this is nowadays you can say it is very helpful. So I don't think so. It is not okay with. So, Bhabhi, tell me, are you okay with your service at Gurudwara? Means ye
Yeah.
satsang,
Satsang.
satsang.
Satsang. Yeah. Yeah, I'm absolutely okay with my service at Satsangar. So, actually, frankly speaking, to one extent, there is no limit and there is no like satisfaction kind of thing. Ki bhai, if we give service for some hours, like 4 or 5 hours, is not sufficient from my heart. So I always want to, I want to expend my time, but we have so many responsibilities, as you all know. So I have to restrict that time, but I am satisfied with that time also, as we are managing so many things and doing that. So I'm satisfied with that. I'm okay with that. Yeah. Okay. So it's my go.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Sir, are you satisfied with the air, sir? Sir,
Okay.
are you okay with the your aero ये मतलब air services at Jabalpur? Are you okay with the air services at Jabalpur?
Okay, you're talking about flights.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, Jabalpur is called a B-grade city.
Yes.
We are not having connectivity, a good connectivity here. But if we talk about 10 years back, so it is better.
But,
Now we are having regular flights from Dumna Airport. The name of the airport is Dumna
okay.
in Jabalpur. But it is, if we compare with Nagpur,
Yeah.
so it is minus. In Hindi, I must say it is 19.
Okay.
Generally, we say 19 seats.
Yes, sir.
So Nagpur is better, but uh, you know, uh, uh, why the connectivity is not good? Because we are not having regular passengers in Jabalpur.
Yeah.
So if any airways wanna start, so they get lost here. That's why.
Okay.
There are no industrial expand
Industries
in
in
Jabalpur.
Jabalpur. Yes, sir.
Uh, and in one hand, if you say this is good for the people living here, because industries create pollution, great
Population.
pollution.
Pollution. Yes, sir.
Uh, and actually, I think there is one more reason. It is always said by the senior people, senior citizens, that Jabalpur is very sensitive area.
Okay.
We have Khamaria factory and vehicle factory in Jabalpur. There are two factories. So ammunitions are made in Jabalpur, or
Okay.
in Hindi, Gola Baru.
Okay.
So there is a big area which is very sensitive. That's why I think the political leaders don't want the proper progress in Jabalpur. It is said.
Okay. Okay.
That's why it is not in a proper connectivity.
Connectivity. So
So
very
I'm
nice
not okay with
information.
it. Hmm.
Okay, you're not okay with
I'm not.
it. Okay.
Sir,
I'm
Jabalpur
not
is
okay.
in the list of metro city as well, na? Smart city.
Uh, I really
They
don't.
are,
I.
sir.
Mm, mm, yes.
Sir, I think they are planned to make it smart city. I think I have
Yeah,
heard it.
yeah.
in a smart
Sir,
city.
I
Yes.
read it.
Yes.
It is the list of
It is
the
in the
smart
list of.
city.
Yeah, it
It
is in
is
the
in the
list of.
list of smart city. So means it will become smart city
Uh,
very soon,
Sooner
or
or later.
Definitely
maybe later or sooner. Sooner or
Yeah.
later.
sooner or later. Yes.
It will become. Yeah.
Hmm. But sometimes I don't understand because I am not having a deep knowledge of this development process. Sometimes, okay,
Actually,
they
sir.
have. Uh,
Actually, sir, the funds are raised from the government, but it is not used for which it was sanctioned. So the middle people, they don't use, and they just keep on using for themselves, building their property and so due to this corruption, it's not happening. Whatever it's about to happen. So this is all happen in India. Otherwise, it is not in other countries. So that's why
hmm.
it is a slow process. Process is little slow. Otherwise, we would have developed like anything.
uh, Actually, I was saying that I think because of ammunition factory situated in Jabalpur, that's why they are not giving frequent connectivity because with a frequent air connectivity, anything can come under the threat. It can be dangerous. I don't know.
Maybe, sir, this is the main cause.
Yeah, because High Court is here. Bhopal is not having High Court. Indore is not having. People from Bhopal come here. People from Indore come for High Court. But okay, I don't know. We will search for it and have a discussion about it in on any Saturday or any Sunday. Meanwhile, you can collect some information. I will also collect you also.
Sir,
Here
Domna is
is
also very far from the city, na? From the Jabalpur
see
city.
Sarika airport is always far away from the city.
No, actually, sir, we have international airport nearby our home because we are living in Goregaon and international airport is a Santa Cruz. So it is only 45 run. It for 45 minutes run.
Yes, Sarika, you are absolutely right. But I have seen one big documentary on Discovery, and by it, it is said that Mumbai is not having its own land, own generated land.
Yes, sir.
They
It
are
is true.
filling the sea
Yes. Yeah.
and
Absolutely
expanding it.
right. Yes.
Hmm.
Yes, I have
That's
gone through this
why.
documentary. Yeah.
Hmm.
So they are expanding that by developing the land on their own. So this is the fact, sir. But I want to. I have a question about this. If
Hmm.
they're digging soil from somewhere and putting in somewhere, तो वहां पर भी तो गड्ढा हो जाएगा, सी वहां बन जाएगा जाके.
I think they are importing from somewhere else. I don't know because they have not cleared this point. Uh, I think they are
Bhabhi, have you
digging.
heard the concept of island?
Uh,
Yeah, I
Ha.
have.
So it is
Yeah,
like that.
yeah,
We are living, all the Mumbaikar living as a situated in the Ireland.
hmm.
yeah. Yeah, it is fully covered with the matlab, surrounding covers with the
Living
water.
in the
Yeah.
Arabian Sea.
Yes. Yeah,
Water
yeah,
body.
yeah. That is
Hmm.
true. Mhm.
But it is human made.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man-made. Yes.
Not natural.
Man made.
Island
Yes.
is a natural, but
Yeah.
it is man-made.
man-made.
So that's why they are on higher risk, na? The people living in Mumbai, they are at higher risk. So that is the main thing. That's why
हम लोग खतरों
कभी
के
सुनामी
खिलाड़ी
और
है,
खिलाड़ी
खतरों के
हाँ
चाहे चाहे ट्रैफिक हो, चाहे मॉनसून आए, चाहे कुछ भी आए, हम डटे रहते हैं. वी आर मुंबई कर, डेयरिंग मुंबई कर.
You know, Bhabhi,
very
one time
good.
talking about the Ritu, she lives a sea-facing bungalow flat, and
इन जुहू.
beach. Huh? It is so risky. मतलब all the actresses from Mumbai, the who all lives over there. So it is
Yeah,
quite
it is quite dangerous, no? Because रात को सोए हैं and all the waves come. Suddenly it will come to Baba re Baba. It's so dangerous.
living from 30, 40 years, 50 years, I think, from there.
They are habituated living there, na?
भाभी,
So they don't.
we are believe that ki when the God keeps, no frost can kill. This is
Yeah.
our
So nice.
believing. That's why we
Yeah,
are
yeah.
living safely and happily in Mumbai.
God
Yeah,
gives.
actually that happens. Actually, Sarika, that happens everywhere. God is only the protector, you know.
Yeah.
No, yeah,
It's
that
our
so that
belief
is okay.
only. Yeah.
Yeah, it is a belief, and we are living for that also. Indians, mostly Indians, we
So you
live on that fact only.
should,
Yeah.
Harika, you should hang out all the time. When God keeps, no frauds can kill you. Isn't
No,
it?
no, no.
Are you
It's
getting
it's
me?
our it's our it's our duty कि we can't go anywhere if we think कि it's a risky, because God, भगवान भी उन्हीं की हेल्प करते हैं जो अपना खुद ध्यान रखते हैं.
God
आप
has
जानबूझ के कुएं में
those
कूदोगे तो भगवान कभी हेल्प नहीं करेंगे. God has give a very
God
good
has
brain.
those who helps themselves.
हाँ, क्या?
हाँ. God
I
helps
could,
those who helps themselves.
yeah.
भगवान उसी की मदद करता है जो अपनी मदद खुद करता है.
So we behave like a smart or responsible person, right?
I know. I got
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
We
that
are
is true.
responsible, but
That's why we totally avoid
uh,
going outside, and
believe we can do this.
हाँ, and I'm okay with it. I'm happy with it. कि
Hmm.
if I'm not going somewhere, but still I'm safe with my family and enjoying, and I spend quality time with them. So it is very important for me. So that's why I'm very happy.
We all are the family are have been enjoying our quality time in a lockdown, but the when the uh, circumstances says that ki it is okay, there is no risk, so we can hang out all the time, no,
Yeah, yeah.
not most of the time. One day I at least we can go now, we can hang out, we can
I
chill.
completely agree with you, Deep, but it's all about, it totally depends on the situation.
Yeah, I agree with you. What is going on over there? We are sitting with incidents.
Sir,
Sir, to say
sir
something.
is pointing out some idiom.
Example is
Can you
better
guess?
precept.
Yes.
Example is better than precept.
Can you guess the meaning?
सर, करनी से ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण कथनी होती है.
कथनी से करनी, ऐसा कुछ है.
हाँ, कथनी से ज्यादा करनी होती है, ऐसा कुछ है.
कथनी से करनी.
Renu, do you know the meaning of precept?
Sir, the meaning of precept should be karni.
Okay. Sarika, do you know?
Sir, the meaning of precept should be niyam.
Aparna, do you know?
No, sir. Exactly, I don't know. Precept यानी पूर्व, ऐसे पूर्व.
Okay. Renu, what is precept?
कथन.
Sir, precept is a noun.
Absolutely correct. Precept is a noun, and Sarika is correct. Principle. Niyam. Okay. Sarika, is example better than precept?
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Example is better than precept.
क्या कथनी से करनी भली होती है?
जी सर, कथनी से करनी भली होती है. Aparna di, is example better than precept?
Yes, like most of the time, example is better than precept, but sometimes precept is better than example. Okay, Renu Bhavi, is example better than a precept?
Yeah, surely. Example is better than precept.
Precept. Precept.
Precept. Precept.
हाँ, I'm also pronunciation.
Pronunciation. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. Sir, should I
Ask
ask?
me. Ask me.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Sir, is example better than precept?
Yes, I think, as far as I think, example is better than precept.
Precept. Okay. सर, क्या कथनी से करनी बड़ी होती है?
भली.
भली होती है? क्या कथनी से
हाँ
करनी भली?
रेनू, कहने से अच्छा होता है करके दिखाना. दिस इज द इजी हिंदी.
Yes,
कहने
sir.
से अच्छा होता है करके दिखाना.
करके दिखाना. Okay.
And with this interactive and idiom, I'm thanking you to join, and God bless
Thank you, sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir. Have a
sir.
nice
Thank you.
weekend.
Have